Welcome back, everybody, to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. On a beautiful day to ride motorcycles. It's a sunny, clear day. It's June 4th. Yep, June the 4th. It is 70 degrees at 9:27. Yeah, buddy, run that intro. Welcome back, everybody, to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. Blue Bike and myself. Blue Bike and me. Yeah, buddy. So we're gonna run down and see if we can't see this covered bridge. You know, I'm playing Walt today. It's gonna be a triple header. No, it'll be a double header probably. Anyway, you know how Walt likes covered bridges. I don't know if he really likes them, but he goes to them a lot. It's because there's a lot of them up there in Pennsylvania. And he also stops and changes his batteries in graveyards sometimes. Yeah. So this is going to a church that I stumbled across on it yesterday. Just kind of, I was like, let me see how far it takes me to go this route, to meet some Southern Cruiser Riding Club down at Carrollton. I was like, I'm gonna cut through the woods, and I just happened to see this sign that says Shiloh Historic or Shiloh Walking Trail Bridge, covered bridge. I said, let me do some digging on this. God, you can't see around them trees up there. You get out in the road. Anyway, so I looked around at it, found some interesting facts, much more. It was built in 1994, but it was also built out of 100-year-old wood, trees or wood. I guess they was milled up. It just don't say. It just says, why you stopped, and that's a good place to stop. You can't rode that truck out of the road. You just figured you would stop in the middle of the road, no lights, no nothing. Just stopped in the middle of the road. He was turning left, but he didn't have no blinkers on or nothing. Just stopped in the middle of the road, and that car went around him, and I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Anyway, back to the bridge. So it's like a little walking trail in a church parking lot, or you know, it's what in the world's going on today? I don't know. Maybe that car ran off the road and they pulled it out and they're trying to get it secured. I don't know. Well, so that's about it. But then also I found out a fact about, I think it's flight 529. They got a memorial to a plane crash that crashed nearby down there. And it's like a commuter plane. It left Hartford Airport. I think it was back in 95, I think it said 95, and there was 30 passengers, and every one of them survived the crash, but the plane busted into flames, and a lot of them was a comfort to their flames and all, and a lot of them many of them got out, but kind of died later to their injuries. But yeah, anyway, there's a memorial to that, so I'm gonna go see if I can find it, check it out before I go on a ride with a group. Alright, let's see find this church, find this covered bridge. So it should be on this road right here, Davenport Meager Road. I'm gonna go down because they said you can see it better if you go down the road instead of walking down the trail. Alright, right here's the church. Shiloh Methodist Church. Parking on ball field for walking trail. Okay. So where's the ball field? There's the monument for the plane crash. There's the covered bridge, Walt. So I guess the ball field's right up here, parking. Okay. Alright. Parking on the ball field. Here's the cemetery, Walt. If you ain't watching Walt, because he can find some pretty good cemeteries and find some pretty good covered bridges. So they said we can park on the parking. It said parking out here, so somebody been cutting donuts. Yeah, buddy, cutting donuts. So I'm gonna park under this tree and walk down here and get some covered bridge pictures. I'm gonna right under the bridge. I think I want a picture. I'm getting donuts. I can get a good picture right here. Off-roading on my adventure bike. That looks pretty good. I found an Easter egg. So here we have this lovely covered bridge built in 1994 at 100-year-old wood. So it's not the oldest, it's not the longest. Still pretty cool. What makes it, being a walking trail, they put seats in here for you. Feels pretty good on this cool June morning. And it says it's, I don't know, 6, not even quite 70. You got it's a lovely walking trail, picnic area, bird watching, flower garden. We're gonna walk over here to this memorial and read a little bit about it. Covered bridge. On August 21st, 1995, Atlantic Southeastern Airlines Flight 529 crashed in the Burwell community, 1/2 mile west of this location. Members of this community will always remember this fateful day and monument in place for of the 10 dear souls who lost their life. And the plane was a twin-engine commercial commuter plane, and was known to have problems with its propellers, manufacturer defect or something. There was 2 planes that crashed, not here, but you know what I'm saying. So let's walk back to the bridge. Let's see. The green apples. The apple trees. You know what green apple give you? The green apple trot. Could be crab apples. Yeah. You know what the green apple trots are? Want to come down here later, get some apples. But lovely little bridge. go check out right through the cemetery for Walt. You know, Walt likes cemeteries. I don't need to change my batteries. And I'll put some the details down there in the description of the about the plane, what it was. And it's on Wikipedia.
So this is Shiloh Church Cemetery. Off-roading. Any bike can be a venture bike. Or any bike is a venture bike. Uh-oh.
Must have just had one. This is not an old cemetery by the looks of the headstones. The Adams family. Dun, 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 dun. Grizzly. Grizzard. Cheddar. We up church. Don't dump your flowers in the woods. You fake flowers. Garrett, Pickett. These are some old ones. That's 18 something I think I've seen. So we're gonna end this one right here. Come down here and check out this little cemetery and covered bridge mostly, and then the memorial site for the plane crash that's happened nearby. So that's just how you find stuff. I didn't know it was here and there, or didn't know nothing about it till I just looking on the Google map and ran across it. Get out and do a venture like this. It'd be fun. And you can check out my video there and that one there, and hit my subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and go check out Walt sometimes. We'll see you later.